Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Kuromi plushie. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing a V shape in the center. Then let's curve it out and back in. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. Now let's finish drawing the shape of the head. We'll start with a curve across the top. And then from both ends, let's curve it back in to the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move in and draw the face. Let's start with two angled lines down. And then a large U-shaped curve underneath. And then color both of them in black. Next, let's draw two curves on the top corners for the eyelashes. And then a small oval in the center for the nose. And that's it for the face. Now let's draw the skull on the forehead. We'll start with a line across. And then bring it up on both sides. And then a curve at the top to close it off. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw two lines at the bottom. And then two angled ovals for the eyes. And that's it for the skull. Now let's move up and draw the ears. We'll start with two angles up and out on the left side. And the same on the top right. And now let's angle them both up to a point. And then add a circle at the end of each ear. And that's it for the head. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the collar. Let's leave a small gap and let's draw two angles down and out. Then let's bring it back up. Next, from both ends, let's bring it out. And then angle it back into the head. Now at the end of each of the points, let's draw a small circle. Now that we're done the collar, let's move down and draw the body. We'll start with a curve down on the left and on the right. And then let's draw a large angled oval on both sides for the feet. Then in between, let's draw a curve across the bottom. Next, let's move to the sides and let's draw a curve down and in for the arms. Lastly, let's add some stitch lines. Let's draw 3 vertical lines down across the body. And then 3 inside each of the feet. And that's it for this cute Kuromi plushie. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!